I got another blind box. It's Top Toy again. Okay, so I got it in J Mall. And my brother also got one, and he's mad at what he got. So let's see if this blind box will be good or not. Okay, so let's start unboxing. Okay guys, so here's the box. Here it is. Like, it's so cutie. Okay, so here are the topics that you should get. Okay, so I like all of them actually, except this one. I would love anything else beside that black one because I already have the exact same thing as that. But I have like this, but like in a different form. So I'm hoping, and I don't really like the color, so I'm hoping I don't get this one. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, I'm actually quite scared. Look at the packaging, it's so cute. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Which one is this? Oh, wait, which one is this though? Sorry. Oh, I got the Frost cream. I really wanted the secret though. But look at it, it's so cute. This is it's high switch. It's also so heavy, bro. It's so heavy. Look at it. Oh, it's hard. Oh. Okay, what else? What else? Okay, also guys, it's so heavy. And it's the one that's sitting down. Okay guys, I got it. Where is it though? Here. So cute and so handy.